Alright, we're doing another video. This is the second video made. New Bern Avenue, December 3rd. We tried putting a machine down and I was able to break up some stuff and send it this way, but I was not 100% successful. We did a whole house flush and didn't move much of the tile, hardly at all, but it revealed by getting all the toilet paper and stuff out of there just how much tile we were dealing with and just construction debris in general. So we're going to go back up the pipe. Again, we're at 0 inches. So we got that first 45 in line. We got 2 decent sized pieces over there where it splits off for that outside cleanout. Those aren't worrying me too much. Those should be pretty simple to get out. First piece is about 30 foot, decent size. I swear that looks like pipe to me. Tile for sure. I want to say, I don't know what that inlet is, to be honest with you. Could be the Y for the that bathroom backing up to the carport. Another piece there. A roofing nail. Pretty big pile of stuff to the left. That looks like tile to me. Just dirty. I'm gonna get, that was the last of it. I'll go ahead and go all the way to the end. Double sure, but right here at 80 foot. It's the end of the pipe. The last toilet in line is above us right now. So I'm going to pull back to, I think, would be like 60 foot maybe, so that I can tell the jetter guys where to mark their hose. So we won't go beyond it, no need. So no tile here, 55 foot. So 60, I would say 60 foot, not even. 55 foot would be adequate. And then we're running in a tile around 50 foot. So maybe 60 foot would be a good guess. There's a little piece of tile right there, yeah. So I think 60 foot would be probably pretty good. We'll just go from there. I'm gonna stop the video.